So here is a video. Let me post this. It's on X. And it's Secretary Brooke Rollins. She said on her first day of USDA, we told every state to send us their SNAP data so we can make sure illegal immigrants aren't getting benefits meant for Americans. 29 states stepped up. 21 blue states refused. The 2 sued for asking. And guess what? In just the states that cooperated, we've already uncovered massive fraud. The Democrat Party has turned its back on working Americans and built an entire strategy around protecting illegal aliens. They know if the handouts stop, those illegals will go back home and the Democrats will lose 20 plus seats in the next census. There's a new sheriff in town.
Visit faithandfreedom.tv and download the Faith and Freedom TV app today.